Hello students of class 10. Today we will start atmosphere. This is our ninth part of the chapter atmosphere from sudden or irregular wind. What is sudden wind? Sudden wind are those wind that comes all of a sudden. There is no intentions, earlier informations regarding the arrival of this wind. These winds are, example of this type of wind is cyclone and anticyclone. We don't have any idea that when cyclone will arrive. So they are called sudden or irregular wind. They come all of a sudden and causes variation of air pressure resulting in the development of local storms. Now we will now proceed with cyclones. Cyclones are low pressure centers surrounded by concentric circles of high pressure. So they have low pressure in the center and the air pressure gradually decreases outside. Okay. So this center of the cyclone is called the eye of a cyclone. The center of the cyclone where low pressure develop is called the eye of a cyclone. In cyclone, low pressure develops in the center and gradually the value or pressure increases outside. In case of cyclone, the wind blows from outside towards the center. From outside towards the center. From outside towards the center. So it blows in anti-clockwise direction. It blows in anti-clockwise direction in southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and clockwise direction in southern hemisphere. Now anticyclone is just opposite to cyclone. In case of anticyclone, high pressure prevails in the center. High pressure prevails in the center and pressure gradually decreases outside. And pressure gradually decreases outside and wind blows from outside from inside towards outside, or from the center towards the outer limb the wind blows. In case of cyclone, very bad weather prevails, but in case of anticyclone is associated with fair weather condition. Now here is a difference between cyclone and anticyclone. Pressure system. A cyclone has low pressure at its center, anticyclone high pressure at its center. Number 2, wind is warm and ascending, wind is cold and descending. Cyclones have converging system of wind, anticyclone has diverging system of wind. And weather, cyclones are cloudy with heavy rain and thunder, and anticyclones are calm with clean weather condition. Okay. The word cyclone was first explained by Henry Predicton in 1854, Motuno Yellow Box, and the word anticyclone was first used by Sir Francis Galton in 1860. So, very important, what is the definition of sudden wind? What are the two types of sudden wind? Cyclone and anticyclone. What is cyclone? What is anticyclone? And the differences between cyclone and anticyclone you should read once. Now go to below the Motuno, underline this part. What name of some destructive tropical cyclone? Some of the destructive subtropical cyclones are tornado of Mississippi Basin, typhoon in North Pacific, cyclone in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, and hurricane in West Indies and Willy in Australia. Very important. These are the destructive tropical cyclones of the world. Now next part we will move to the jet streams. Jet streams are high altitude fast moving air current that are found in the mid latitudes in the upper troposphere. So again it repeating, very important, jet streams. Jet streams are high altitude fast moving air current usually found in the mid latitude in upper tropopause. So they are the winds of the high altitude region, and they always associated with the middle, means it is mainly found in the upper tropopause. It is a few thousand kilometers long and few hundred kilometers wide. The important characteristics of jet streams are as follows. The circulation of jet stream is from west to east in a narrow belt. The circulation is observed between poles and 20-degree latitudes. The path they take is wavy and meander. So jet stream always blows in a meandering path or wavy path. So this is the movement of the jet stream in meandering directions. Next, number 4, during winter they have more velocity, and number 5, the jet streams become narrower in summer due to northward shifting. These 5 characteristics you should read once properly, very important, because many objective portion can come from this part, and all should go through the book part thoroughly. Whatever I am giving you information, that you should mark in your book, take pencil, mark, and whatever telling, go through the part properly, because you know 1 marks per question, many short questions are there, and you should go through the part properly. What are the important tropical, destructive tropical cyclones name you have to read properly. Then what is jet stream, what are the characteristics of jet stream, very important. Okay, so in next video we will start from the humidity and precipitation part. Thank you class.